What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick two-part review. If you watched my recent video with an unboxing of the Kinekt seat post, suspension seat post, I am doing a little bit of a test ride on that right now and review to see how I like it. I already know right off the bat that I want to cut the stem down. It sits me up too high. So I think I'm gonna take a few inches off. Hopefully I can get like 4 off. We'll see. I gotta see how it fits on my bike rack and everything with the shortened seat post. But the other part of this review is the helmet that I have on right now, which is a little something new that I picked up. A lot of traffic over there for some reason. A little something new I picked up. It doesn't really have a name brand. I got it on AliExpress. It is a Japanese style low profile jet helmet. I believe they're called jet helmets. Obviously 3/4. Very classic retro style. I like it so far. I was worried the sizing was going to be off because I measured my head and I was kind of in between two of the sizes. In between a small and a medium. I'm usually a straight up small. I have a tiny little bean of a head, and getting a medium made me worrisome, but it turned out to be fine. It fits me nicely. I think if I got the small, I would have regretted it. Would have been upset. Probably would have been too tight. But yes, very much like this. It's not very breathable, but for the summer still it's fine. My other racket by Bell is super breathable and great for the summer, but I wanted something a little more stylish, and so this is it. We have a lot of wind right now. Hopefully my audio isn't screwed up on my chest, but I'm hitting some bumps right now, and the Kinekt seat post is pretty good. I like it. It's really well made. I can tell it's higher quality than the other suspension seat posts that I have on my my Mini X, and obviously that's like a lot cheaper too. That's like a $26 item. This is like a $250 item. Man, there was a lot of construction. I am stuck like on this road on houses. There's a lot of traffic getting the bike lane. But yeah, I gotta say, this is a great piece of equipment. It's I don't love the bulky look of it. I don't love the way it changes the look of my bike, profile of my bike. It's heavy. That's another thing with Chimera. Always weight conscious with this bike, because the whole point of it is to be super light. But yeah, very happy with the mechanics of it and how it actually works. It is great. It's comfortable. I am not used to riding in this sort of position, like totally leaning forward, very aggressively positioned forward. And that's because the seat really lifts me up high. But I love it. Really great feedback on both of these items. Solid. Both items, very happy with. The helmet is awesome. I think it looks nice too. I guess I'll see. I've been looking at myself in the mirror and it looks fine, but it always looks a little different on video. So we'll see how it looks on video. And yeah, high praise from me for both items. Hopefully I can cut this seat tube down a little bit and have a little bit more of a normal, comfortable riding position. And that'll be it. That'll be, I'll be on my way to customizing this for the full gold build. It's gonna be awesome. Guys at Mod Rabbit and Jack Rabbit, really psyched to get that going and finish it up. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.